supposed to say?
What you just said. Look at the camera.
But I forgot what I said. Today we're making some potatoes with bell peppers and eggs, with soup, and with some cake. And stay tuned.
Okay guys, so we are going to start seasoning our mixture here. I have a box of Wondra. It's basically a quick mix flour, black pepper, seasoned salt, garlic powder. This is Old Bay lemon pepper seasoning, 1 onion, and sweet bell peppers, 3 eggs, 3 cans of tuna. I did add a 4th can of tuna, just so you know. I just wanted to make a note that when you're salting this, be mindful of how much salt you put in your water when you boil your potatoes, because that salt is also going to add flavor once you add your potatoes to the mixture. But I did find that I needed to salt mine a little bit more heavily just to make sure I had some balanced flavors. So just something I want you guys to make note of if you decide to make this recipe as well. y'all know I'm always and forever losing footage or forgetting that I'm not recording or something, but um, here I am just taking a tablespoon measurement and a fork and dropping the mixture down into some oil that had been preheated to 375 degrees. What you see there on the left is some breadcrumbs. I thought I would roll it over some breadcrumbs and deep fry it, which I did a couple that way, but decided that I actually liked it like this a little bit better. So that's also an option if that's something you would like to try. Roll these in some breadcrumbs and then fry it. But I found that just scooping it out and just dropping it worked out just fine. And you guys, all I did basically was just deep fry these for about 5 minutes on each side, if not sooner. You really want to pay attention to how your grease is cooking, how fast it's cooking, and you want to do it fast and crispy, you know, as if you were frying like French fries or something like that, because you did use a lot of potato in the mix, and you want to make sure everything comes out crispy but not greasy. Leave a comment below if you decide to try this recipe. Let me know how it worked out for you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. See you all next time.